Acupuncture is a holistic form of medicine. It's over 8,000 years old. It's been utilized for many conditions, anything ranging from anxiety and stress to musculoskeletal pathology to induced labor, internal disorders. It's minimally invasive. You don't always have to use needles. You can use acupressure. There are other techniques involved where you can use moxibustion. You can use slide cupping, toina, or gua sha. There's also other ancillary procedures. Those are just a few that some folks may be familiar with. Depending on what the condition is, the length of treatment time varies. Usually it's about 6 to 10 visits to produce some meaningful result. I've treated multiple conditions for folks. Some of the interesting cases I had a woman who had a stroke. She was actually in a coma for approximately a month. She came out of the coma. She had no use of one side of her body. She had difficulty with her speech and with cognition. By the use of the acupuncture, we did scalp acupuncture, which a lot of people aren't familiar that you can do. You can actually do acupuncture through the abdomen, but we did scalp acupuncture on her. We did front and back body acupuncture. We incorporated the moxibustion, and at present she's able to balance herself on one foot. She can't hop and dance, but she's back to a fitness class. Her speech has improved, and so is her cognition. So that was really a good case, and it really felt good to be able to help her, because when I do an acupuncture treatment, I don't cure anybody. What I do is give their body the tools to heal itself. I had a woman come in recently with foot and hand pain that she had for over 2 years. I was a last resort patient, which is common in acupuncture. It's a last resort. People, nothing else has worked, meds, traditional Western. So we went ahead, we did a procedure on both her hands and her feet where we actually inserted needles between the fingers and toes. It sounds painful, it's not, but after 3 sessions she's been completely pain-free and has been so over the last month. Every visit isn't going to go like that, but the percentages of what goes well during a treatment are much, much higher, between 80 and 85% for most patients that come through my door.